What's going on, y'all? It's OG.BOSS.DIZZLE, man, back with another video. Right here, man, this package, man, I got something, man, I think a 3rd gen RAM people gonna like. And I'm pretty sure you've seen it before, man, but, you know, I think it's something dope, man. Stick with me, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna throw this mug on the truck, man. But, let me show y'all what it is. Alright, man, well, basically, man, got some badges going on today. Yeah. This is going on the front, man, with the grill at. I'm thinking about scuffing this up and painting it OEM PS2, which is the color of my truck. Just painting the ram part there like that. Man, this mug gonna be tough. Yep. Next up, man, what we got? Yeah. I'll do this shit one hand. Alright. This is the one I'm really geeked up about, man. I know y'all probably seen this joint before. Damn, that motherfucker is huge. I didn't know that bitch was that goddamn big. Shit. Check it out, man. Know what I'm saying? Got the big ram joint, man. The big badge. It was so cold about this one is, man, it must light up, man, when you hit your brakes or when you turn your lights on, man. But when you hit your brakes, it get real red. Got the 3M backing. Bam! Got the wires on that son of a bitch. Man, I'm gonna install this one, man. So, I'm gonna show y'all how to get down and do this, man. Try to do it easy for y'all. It's real simple, man. But, yeah, man. Anybody looking to get one of these, man, I got this motherfucker off eBay, man. Shit, probably about, I think it was like $35, something like that. I'm geeked up about this one, though. Can't wait to put this one on. 3M backing. Got the wires already in that son of a bitch. Alright, man. Let's get ready to install this bitch. See you in the next clip. Yo, as you can see, man, nothing I do, it's always straightforward and easy, man. It's always a problem, a hurdle, or something I gotta get through. So, as you can see, man, I removed the badge. This right here is just paint. Man, it looks horrible. I don't know why it looks like that. Maybe some shitty ass, you know, job from the paint professionals. But here we go, man. I gotta put it right here. But gotta drill a damn hole in there, so gotta mark that out, drill a hole, and then bam, we be ready to stick this mug on, man. Alright, y'all, as you can see, man, there's several ways to do this here, man, but you know, I marked the top where it's gonna go at, right? So this is gonna be the top of the emblem. So what I'm gonna have to do now, take out my trusty ruler, I mean, and mark the distance from the top of the logo to the center of the wire, and mark it on the truck, man. And then I'm gonna have to drill it out. Alright, got that center hole marked, made it real small. So what I'm gonna do now, man, I'm gonna take that drill, and I'm gonna go ahead and drill the hole, man. Alright, catch you back in. Alright, as you see, I got the whole drill. You know what I'm saying? Go slow. Don't try to pierce the other side of this. But I'm gonna have to make this hole a little bigger, so I'm gonna go around with my drill. I have a bigger drill bit, man, but you know, it won't fit inside my chuck, so. Alright, catch you back in, man. Alright, y'all, got the hole. Got the hole bigger, man. I'm ready to go. Alright, what I'm gonna do now. Oh, shit. Keep it real. Alright. Remove these screws, remove this. And then we're gonna get to the inside, man, and pass these wires through. So it's a hole somewhere down here. Right here. Pass the hole through here. Catch you back in, man. Alright, got the cover off. Now we need to take this cover off. So I only got 2 screws in there. I ain't feel like putting all that crap back in there. One time I took this off before, so get ready to do this right now. There we go. Slide this son of a bitch. right. That's what the inside look like, man. So, all right, man, cut y'all back in. All right, y'all, here we go. I gotta put this inside of that. Just made the hole just big enough, so I had to keep working at it, man, but I got it. So I'm gonna put this through there, and then we're gonna go flip the tailgate down, and then we're gonna pull the wire through. All right, as you can see, man, we got the wire pulled through. Gonna close this joint. Ugh. All right, peel this tape off, stick it on, man. All right, catch you back in. All right, man, got that motherfucker on. Now I do have a little problem. It's kind of like it don't want to lay down right here, probably because of the curvature of the truck. Shit, probably gonna hit it with that heat gun. Try to make it relax, but this is not good. But that's what happened, man. We get stuff that's not particularly made for your truck, man. But hell, I had to have this bitch, so I'm gonna make it work. All right, y'all, check it out, man. We gotta run that wire, you know, to that hole. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fish it, man. Got me an old antenna, some tape, gonna make it work. There you go, got it taped up, man. All right, let's push it through. All right, as you can see, man, there's a hole right there, and I need to stick it through there, make it come out to the other end. Let me cut you back in, big dog. All right, man, we got that motherfucker through, man. Take your tape off. Shit, pull your fishing rod out, man. You good, man. All right. All right, now I need to stick this mug through here. Now, when we actually wired this mug, you need to remember sometimes, you know, you might have to take your tailgate out. So that's why this mug is able to unscrew. The other end screws onto it, which is this end right here. So that's cool. I appreciate them for doing that. You know what I'm saying? Good ingenuity. All right. Oh, shit. There we go. Some bitches in. Cut you back in. Yeah. Oh, by the way, man, leave your little slack right here too, man. You know, now you don't want too much where, you know, it's gonna get bunched up and cut when you close the tailgate. But leave enough, man, to where it won't be so tight when you open and close it because it's gonna be pulling it, and then you're gonna have shorts. So, just a little tip. All right, now it's time to wire this mug up, man. The good thing about this joint is, as always, a good product should come with detailed instructions, wire, and it also comes with, you know, your connectors, man. That's dope that they did that, and with some zip ties. So that's cool, man. So, all right, what I'm gonna do is, man, I actually have a, you know, LED light, man. You know, I got the blinkers, back up, reverse, all that crap in it. So I'm gonna tap into that instead of tapping into my, you know, tail lights. So, all right, man, we're gonna get up on that thing and show you how to do it. Yeah. All right, so this is what I'm gonna be tapping into. So I'm gonna have to get my circuit hot wire tester joint and shit, test each wire, man. See which one is the turn signal, reverse, just a regular normal joint. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, time to wire this joint up, man. So per instructions, you know, you take your harness, you take the red wire from it, and wire it up to the red wire here. You know, wire them two together, man. Use a butt connector. All right, get you back in. All right, y'all, so check it out. Got it wired up, man, and that's how it is, man. On the package, it's gonna tell you, on the instructions, it's gonna tell you it's not color coded. But man, if you got the tow package on, you know, the 3rd gen RAM like I do, it's the exact same colors, man. So just match them joints up, man. The yellow with the yellow, the green with the green, the white with the white, and either the black with the brown or the brown with the brown. And that's all you do, man. All right, let's check and see how this turned out, man. All right, man, here we go. Bam, got that mug on, man. This is in the stop motion right here. So, well, not motion, but you stop. This is how it looks when it stops. So let me show you how it looks when I guess when just the lights are on. All right, hold on. Alright, this is how it looks with just the lights on. So, alright, let's see how it looks with the blinker on. Alright, this is how it looks with the blinker on, man. You probably can't tell right now, man, but it's flickering on and off. Yeah. You can probably tell a little bit, but at night you'll be able to see it real good. But yeah, it's going on, you know. This is the driver's side blinker. It's coinciding with my LED light down here, so there we go, man. That's the install, man. It's your boy OG.BOSS.DIZZLE signing out.